Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to create a Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps, making it easy for anyone to get started with a brand new Facebook page. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a grid of 9 small dots. This is your menu button. Give it a click. A menu will pop up with a variety of options. Look for the section labeled Create. Under this, you'll find the option called Page. Go ahead and click on Page to start the creation process. Now, you'll be presented with a form where you'll need to fill out some basic information about your new page. Enter your page name. Choose the category that best fits what your page is about, and add a description to let people know what they can expect. Once you've filled in these fields, click on the Create Page button at the bottom. You're not done just yet. Facebook will guide you through a few more steps to help set up your page. You'll have the chance to add a profile picture and a cover photo, which are both important for making your page look professional and inviting. Fill in any additional details, like your contact information or website, to give visitors everything they need to know. When you're ready, click Next to move through each step. Once you've completed all the required fields, simply click Done. Congratulations! Your new Facebook page is now live and ready for you to customize even further. That's all it takes to create a Facebook page on your PC with the new update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new page.